So the next, subsequent question that comes to mind, Mr. Cooper, is from your point of view, what were those significant breakthrough results that you believed through this facilitation of a survey you were able to achieve?
Karthik, the breakthroughs, as I said, first of all, what the idea was to understand the pulse of the organization and how engaged the people are. Unless you diagnose the problem, okay, you can't find a solution. And this whole exercise was a diagnosis of areas which need improvement. Okay, I don't say that they are the shortcomings, but I would say they are the areas of improvements which we were looking for. And when the survey results came in, we were quite happy to see that we had certain assumptions that our people are not satisfied or happy, but to our surprise we found that it was a little better than what I expected.
Right.
So over a period of time, when these results came in, we started working on them, and I'll explain to you as we move forward how we went, what are the things which we have done to improve on it or attend to it, because any employee satisfaction survey or employee engagement survey will never give you 100% the truthful picture.
Right.
Still there will be undercurrents in the organization where people are very guarded, and in the Indian environment, whenever you ask a question to anybody, the first fear is what will follow through. Will I get will I be put under pressure, or will I be known, my identity will be known. So there are many things, and as Indians we try to give an ranking also somewhere in between. So you have to be very careful understanding the results. You may not, unless you try to probe into it further, you will not get the true picture. So a result comes in, but at a point of time, one has to also understand what people are writing and tick marking. Is it what they are wanting to say, or is it something they are saying, or they are trying to cover up for giving you a bitter pill with a sweeter quote?
Absolutely. I think, Mr. Cooper, you've made a couple of startling revelations here, and I think our colleagues would have probably picked up on this as well. What I hear you say is that while some of the results are more of an ongoing exercise, which will probably be covered subsequently, not just in the presentation, but also in your journey, what I really picked up from what you're saying is that the breakthrough that you were able to articulate is this initiative was actually going to help you diagnose the problem, which is a very different perspective, isn't it? Because most of the times we are so hell-bent, and naturally so, of creating initiatives where we are trying to say this is the outcome or the solution that we are going to be able to create. I think you're making a very bold and also a very authentic statement by saying that this initiative was, rather than trying to address and create a solution, identify and articulate the problem more clearly.
That's right.